You have to decide it and try. I mean, I think in any human relationship, it's a big mistake to let emotion be your guide all the time. Because if you just treat people the way that you feel, you will not always treat them very well, right? So I think that you have to decide. When I started at the court, maybe this is a good way to sum it up. When I started at the court, one of my colleagues shared advice that an other colleague had shared with this colleague. And that was that it's most important to go to lunch. We have lunch together after oral arguments, and we have lunch together after conferences. That it's most important to go to lunch with the other justices the day after a difficult conference vote. So if you are on the losing side of a case and you're very disappointed by that, if you were going to go with your feelings, if you were going to do what you felt, you would just head back to your office and maybe kind of like stew in your disappointment for a while. But if you are going to really make an effort and make a decision to be collegial and to cultivate a relationship with your colleagues, you will make the decision as an act of will that you will go and spend that time with them at lunch. And I think that's true in relationships generally, and I think that's true of colleagues, both in my job, but at other jobs. You really have to decide how you want to treat people, you have to decide that you want to be collegial, and then you have to follow through on the commitment that you make.